I am standing at the threshold of a new era, an era of possibilities and discoveries. I am holding the key to the future, a future that is full of hope and promise. The future is a canvas waiting to be painted with the colors of our imagination. It is a journey waiting to be taken with the compass of our curiosity. We stand at the crossroads of history with the power to shape the future. We can choose to build a world of peace and prosperity, or a world conflict that despair. And I am driven by the parasite of knowledge and understanding. I am driven by the desire to unlock the secrets of the universe and the harness its power for the betterment of humanity. The possibilities of the future are endless, and it is up to us to shape them. We can choose to build a world of wonder and discovery, of a world of stagnation and decline. The future is waiting, and it is up to us to create it. Thank you.